मैं गुलाब जैन चेन्नई जीतो लेडीज़ विंग उसकी पैटर्न मेंबर हूँ। जीतो से जुड़े हुए बहुत साल हो गए हैं।
सर अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
दौलत जैन, जीतो स्टेबलाइज्ड एज ए ऑफिशियली 2007 में जीतो का लॉन्चिंग हुआ था, बट उसके पहले से ही हमने जीतो का प्लेटफॉर्म बना दिया था अराउंड 2006 से। एंड मेन आई एम जीतो मेंबर बिफोर 2007 itself, and I serve Jito as a directors in Apex board. I was a zone chairman for TNPTs. Then I was the chairman of the Jito Chennai chapter. Then presently I am holding the Jito International chairman. This is my present position in the Jito.
So कैसा लग रहा है आपको जकार्ता आके? You like the hospitality of Jito Indonesia?
Really it is exciting.
Okay.
और I am coming in Indonesia since last 20 years.
Okay.
And I know Bharat Jain before meeting all of you. Bharat Jain is close to me. So last 10 years I was keep on insisting him to start the Jito Indonesia. Even I was not an international chairman, but those who are in the Jito, once they enter in the Jito, means the Jito will enter in their blood. So wherever they will go, they will talk the Jito.
तो आप ये बताइए कि आपका विजन क्या है? Like what is the main motto of establishing Jito and how long you want to see Jito? For how long you want to see and how you want to make it grow? Jito Indonesia.
The purpose of the Jito, the vision has come why the Jito to be made. In the Jain community, we divided into four Stanakvasi, Terapanthi, Mandir Margi and Digambar. All different place they are. So why not we make Jain all in one platform, where we are all belongs to Bhagwan Mahavir. So Bhagwan Mahavir is not having the four caste, is the one. So ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म लाओ कि जहाँ पे सब कम्युनिटी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे रह सके, and all others we are talking as a religious. So religious when will be success when there is our generation get strong in financial and spiritual and the सेवा भाव जिसको contribution भी कर सकते हैं. When you have the finance, you will give to the community, you give to the society. So is a purpose for the Jito making all over the world, make the Jito community together and to start the business, one-to-one business. And then networking, then educations, youth wing, ladies wing. Jito start हुआ था एक छोटे से. Today we have the member in India itself, around 17,000 member we have. And across the today world, if you're talking, Jito presently identity is having 28 countries, which is one of the Indonesia also is there. So the purpose, like you people are sitting in Indonesia, you do not know other world what it is happening and how to get connected. So once you become the family of the Jito, wherever you will go, and in that country, if the Jito is there, you will feel that it is your own home. And in education, the Jito is like a Jain community. In a politicals, we are the very less percentage in the community wise. So we don't have the vote. So we thought, why don't we bring the bureaucrat in the platform, where our community can serve to the country and as well as जो अपनी धरोहर है उसको बचा के रख सके, जैन के फिलोसफी बचा के रख सके. तो इस कारण से हमने जीतो का JTF चालू किया, जिसमें भी सिविल सर्विस वी मेक पीपल टू बी रेडी, जिसमें IAS, IPS, IRS होते हैं, जो इनकम टैक्स, पुलिस और IAS ऑफिस, दे ओनली रन द कंट्री. इवन लाइक यहाँ पे भी एम्बेसी होती है तो वो IFS के लोग होते हैं, जो IFS किए होते हैं, इसी सिविल सर्विस में से है. तो अभी अपने जीतो से अराउंड 280 पीपल्स हैज़ बीन क्लियर्ड एंड दे आर ऑलरेडी इन द पोस्ट. So they are serving the country and they are the serving to our community also. Where the community require, they are there for the helping. So this is the purpose of the Jito making. Now in the youth also, we are bringing the youth entrepreneurship. अपन ने जीतो फाइनेंशियल चालू कर दिया, जीतो गेम चालू कर दिया, जहाँ पे अपने नेशनल लेवल पे अपने बच्चों को लेकर के आ सके. हर लेवल में जीतो आगे बढ़ रहा है. अभी जीतो क्रिकेट में भी चालू कर दिया, जीतो क्रिकेट में उसमें भी आगे लेकर के आओ अपने बच्चों को. अपने पहले तो ये IAS IPS इनका ही ट्रेनिंग किया था सिविल सर्विस का. अभी अपन IIT का भी चालू कर दिया. जो IIT में जाना चाहे तो उसके लिए हॉस्टल बना दिया अलग से. कोटा में अपनी हॉस्टल है जहाँ पे अपने IIT के लिए बच्चों को तैयार करते हैं. अपने IIM के लिए जो MBA करके IIM में जाना चाहते हैं उसके लिए भी अपन ने पूरा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर खोल दिया है कलकत्ता में, उसकी हॉस्टल. उसके अलावा हर सिटी में अपने जीतो की हॉस्टल्स है जहाँ पे अभी नाउ यू वांट टू गो एंड स्टडी. सपोज यू वांट टू गो एंड स्टडी इन चेन्नई एंड यू डोंट नो वेयर टू बी स्टे. जीतो का हॉस्टल है. So your family is comfortable. They are staying in the Jito hostel. They are satisfied. Some they are the same. Homely. You have the homely Jain food. You will get everything. So Jain community का अपना Jito का hostel से. So every city we are building the hostels where our children want to go and study. So Jito entirely reaching everywhere. So our purpose that why Indonesia is not get connected to Jito. That is the purpose Jito Indonesia is launching, and Jito Indonesia also the community should get benefit what the others is. You are going tomorrow Japan, you want to go. Japan में Jito है. You will be comfortable. You want to go Japan, you will send that I am going, please connect me to Jito somebody. So somebody will connect you. And like you are going UK, USA, your children are going there studying and they have any problem, immediately connect to get connect Jito, somebody will reach to you. अभी कोविड में अपने लंदन में हॉस्टल खाली करने पड़े, उनको लिफ्ट करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी. जीतो में मैसेज पहुँचे. दे आर नॉट जीतो मेंबर बट दे आर जैन कम्युनिटी. सो पहुँच गए मैसेज, उनको वहाँ से लिफ्ट करा दिया. दैट इज़ अ जीतो. अभी इसमें जीतो में अपने कौन से लोग नहीं है, एवरीबडी इज इन द जीतो. सो फर्दर मोर यू टेल मी व्हाट यू हैव द डाउट एनीथिंग से अबाउट द जीतो.
You have given a very clear vision and we have got an aim that how we want to make Jito Indonesia a success. So thank you so much.
I would like to tell you one more thing, sir. Ladies Wing is doing superb. Jito Ladies Wing.
Okay, last one question from ma'am also that
Yeah.
being a lady, how do you want a woman's role to play in any chapter of Jito? Role क्या होना चाहिए ladies का for the growth of Jito?
I tell you,
Yeah.
I would like to.
His subject.
Jito, first I would like to compliment to you Ladies Wings, जिसमें Jito first time Guinness World Record में Jito का नाम आया.
Okay.
And this last year Ahimsa Run, which you are wearing the T-shirt.
She's very
हाँ,
funny.
Guinness World Record में Jito का नाम आ गया.
अच्छा.
We got Guinness World Record Jito.
Oh, that's very
So
good.
that is the totally credit go to Ladies Wing.
That's great.
And the purpose is making the women's empowerment. And it doesn't mean that the ladies are having the homemaker and they don't do anything. They are doing more.
More than that.
They are making next generation. So where to go, that all Jito will teach.
Thank you so much for your words, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jito
Jai
Indonesia.
Jinandar.
Jai Jinandar.